Okay.
Welcome back, folks, to the Backwood Adventures here in Hawaii. Today I shot this hog with my bow and arrow. Went to my tree stand today. Got up in the tree and some Hawaiian Electric Company workers were out there working on some down lines, so spoiled my hunting area. So I got out of the tree stand. When I spotted stock, I probably walked a mile away from my tree stand. Bumped this boar, about 80-90 pound boar. We both saw each other at the same time, about 10 yards in some real thick brush. And he jumped, he turned around and looked at me. We just stared each other down for a good 15 seconds or so. And I got a chance to put an arrow on my bow and draw on him while he was staring at me. And he put his head down and looked away a few times. Looked back up at me. I got a shot through a small hole like this. And took him on right in the base of his neck, between his shoulder, and right into the vitals from the other side. He ran about 30 yards and he expired. I'm using a Matthews MQ32 70-pound bow with some 24-13s, some Spitfire 100 grain mechanical broadheads. It did the job. So until next time on the Backwood Adventures, we'll see you folks later. Aloha.